In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade directly on TradingView Desktop in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, trading directly on TradingView can streamline your workflow, making it easier and quicker to execute trades without flipping through multiple platforms. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up. First things first, you'll want to navigate to TradingView's website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to their site. This is your go-to tool for accessing various trading charts and data. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. As the main page loads, keep an eye out for a section called All Brokers. Click on it. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to view all the brokers that you can connect with directly through TradingView. It centralizes the process, enabling you to choose from a wide range of brokers connected with the platform. For our example today, I'm opting to connect with Binance. This step is crucial because your chosen broker determines where your trades will be processed. Of course, you can choose any broker that aligns with your trading strategy and personal preference, but for simplicity, we'll stick with Binance here. Next, you'll spot a button labeled Connect. Go ahead and click on it. Connecting your broker to TradingView is the bridge that allows the trades you place to move from the platform straight to the market via your broker. It's the heart of executing your trades directly. After you've clicked Connect, keep an eye out for a small green light or circle. When you see it, that's your confirmation that the connection is legitimate and secure. It's an important check to ensure everything is set up properly and functioning as it should, giving you the peace of mind that your trades will be executed correctly. Now let's move on to placing an order. Right-click on the area that says Add Order. This action opens up your trading window where the magic happens. It's here that you have the power to buy or sell stocks, currencies, or other assets depending on what you're trading at the moment. In this order window, you can specify the details of your trade. Once you're ready and everything looks good, you simply click on Buy or Sell, depending on what you want to do. It's as straightforward as that. With that click, your trade is sent off for execution via the broker you connected earlier. This streamlined process is what makes TradingView Desktop a powerful tool for active traders. With these steps, you're not just trading, you're doing so seamlessly and efficiently, all from one place. Happy trading!